How to share a TikTok to Facebook story. To get started, you first need to make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok. Then, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Now, from this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, open a TikTok video. Then, tap on the three dots from the side panel. Now, from the options that are available here, tap on Save Video. Once the video is saved to your gallery, minimize the TikTok application. Now, you need to open the Facebook application on your phone. You will be taken to the home page of Facebook. From here, tap on the Create Story section. It will then take you to your gallery. Select the recently saved video from TikTok. Then, preview the video and tap on Share. Once the video has been uploaded successfully, you can just tap on the Your Story section and view the TikTok video on your Facebook story. So by following these simple steps, you can easily share a TikTok to Facebook story.